This is how I invested €1,000 in the stock market for the month of May as a 30-year-old living in Berlin. As someone who is looking to retire early, investing monthly is a must for me. For purchasing my stocks, I make use of the Trade Republic app. For this month, I made my purchase in one round and I splitted into two groups, 65% into ETFs and 35% in single stocks. So for ETF, I put €200 in FTSE All World. This ETF gives me exposure to over 3,500 companies globally across America, Europe, Asia, and emerging markets. It forms the core of my portfolio because it spreads risk across industries and regions. I don't want to bet on one country, I want to grow with the world economy. I put €195 in MSCI Semiconductors ESG ETF. They focus on semiconductor companies, the chip behind AI, smartphones, cloud computing, and electric vehicles, while also screening for strong ESG practices. Chips are the backbone of every tech product we use, and the demand keeps rising with AI, IoT, and automation. So this is my way of investing in hardware infrastructure for digital future. And then €150 in Nasdaq 100 ETF. They track the 100 largest non-financial companies on the Nasdaq. These are companies with proven track records, strong cash flow, and a focus on innovation. So I see it as a smart, concentrated bet on US tech growth with some risk protection through diversification. For individual stocks, I topped up my Hims and Hers stocks. This is a telehealth company offering a lot of treatment online. In their last earnings report, they posted a 111% year-over-year revenue increase, and their subscriber base grew to 2.4 million active users. I'm bullish on the shift towards digital-first healthcare, and Hims is becoming a market leader in accessibility and affordable care. It's growing really fast, but with a strong fundamental behind their growth. And then I topped up my Netflix with €100. Netflix is still the most subscribed streaming platform in the world. Despite more competition, it's still expanding internationally, dominating local content production, and building pricing power through ad-supported tiers. I mean, if I'm watching Netflix, I might as well make money from them. And then I put €250 in Palantir Technologies. They build software that help government and enterprises make sense of massive data sets, from national security to healthcare to logistics. They just secured a $795 million contract with the US Army, continuing their strong pipeline of government deals. I'm still bullish on Palantir because they sit at the intersection of AI, big data, and defense, and their real-world contract proves demand is growing. They're not just a hype, they're executing. And this is how I invested for the month of May. If you have been meaning to start your investment journey but unsure of where to start or even how to begin or what stocks to pick or ETFs to pick, make sure to make use of the link in my bio to book a session. And for those of you who have already invested or looking to invest, what are some of your top stocks for the month? Let me know in the comments. Bye.